Welcome back to Destination Now. In case you missed last week's episode, or you're a new viewer, here's a short recap of what's going on.
I was pulling the exhaust manifold off my truck to upgrade it. In the process, I broke a bolt off in the head. The alloy that's in there is just too hard for my drill bits. Seriously not pulling any metal out whatsoever. And all we're doing is starting to mess up the threads that are in there. So rather than continuing to make it worse, we're gonna go ahead and pull the head off.
It's now Tuesday, and come to find out they haven't touched it. And the reason being is their guy that does the machining on their heads has COVID. I am in the process of finding another machine shop. It's just really hard because we're without a vehicle.
Wherever I go, I will always know everything I need is right here with me. It's time to let it all go.
Good morning, everyone. We just got a knock on the door while we're eating breakfast, and one of our friends from the other side of the park drove over here looking for Nick. Apparently one of his neighbors made a bad move last night when he was moving his RV. He did something where he got high centered in the middle of his RV, and now he's stuck. Nick's been over there for an hour trying to help him out. He came running back, said it's a mess. So we're gonna walk down and see if we can see what's going on. So it looks like he's trapped in the middle of the road over here. He's blocking up the whole road. We cut the corner too close. That's what happened.
So Mario came and got me, and somebody had their motorhome in a spot where they ended up high centering on a rock and broke off the airline. So we went and found a bolt. We caged his brake and clamped off the air hose that he broke off, and we're getting into the campsite right now. Then we're gonna try to use an easy out to pull the broken fitting out of his brake pot. So that's what's going on. Always something, right? But luckily this community is full of helpful people, and everybody's out here doing everything that they can to lend a hand and help out. Just telling him, I was like, dude, we can stop 100 times between here and there. Just take your time, be safe. Yeah, there he goes. He ran out of air right in front of the campsite.
Park came together. We got John and his wife into their new parking spot, and he is on his way to getting his brake lines fixed. Probably should mention that this RV park used to be a water park, so it's got some tight corners. It's a little hard for these long RVs to get around.
Boy, that guy was stubborn. Yeah, it came out. Wrong size. Well, that sucks. I think we got the wrong size. Yeah, unfortunately.
What is it? There was two of them. Two of them. Is it the wrong size of fitting?
Yeah.
What size do you need? See what you're saying. So it's too big to fit into it. So what do you need? That's half inch. So what do you need? 3/8?
Maybe.
On one side?
You see that?
Yeah.
See how much bigger it is?
Yeah, I do.
At least you're hearing the tape.
Yeah, exactly. I'd much rather be working on it right here than out in the road like that. Awesome. I'm ecstatic. Thank you so much.
Sorry guys, I missed the beginning of that. Nick just got a call from the motor shop that we took the head to, and so I'll have him give you an update on that in a minute.
So I just got off the phone with the machine shop. They got the bolts out. They didn't know if they were going to be able to do it because they said because of the oxyacetylene torch that we use to try to melt the bolt out, that sometimes what can happen is you heat up the cast iron, and then even with the ambient air and the surrounding metal, it can cool too quickly. And when it cools too quickly, it hardens the cast iron and kind of crystallizes it, and then they have a really hard time getting their bits through it. So he wasn't sure if he was even going to be able to do it, and I just got the call. He got it out, he got it rethreaded, everything's hunky-dory. They're even going to paint it for us. So we're going to continue painting the engine blue every time we pull apart. It's been 10 days that we've been trying to solve this problem, and we finally got to a point where we're coming up with solutions that are working. And now I get to learn how to put a head back together because I've never done that before. So wish me luck, guys. So we're here at Larry's engine machine shop and we're picking up my new head. Let's see what it looks like. What's going on? Yes. That is beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Good job, guys.
It's got all the good smells.
Mm-hmm. Gosh, that turned out really nice. Hole does look a little bigger, but if they say it'll work, it'll work. Yeah, you can tell I kind of hogged out the outside portion of it. That's not too bad. ASAP, you see that? They hooked me up. Hey, so you did it.
Miraculous.
Well, I really appreciate you guys getting to that as fast as you did for me and doing such a great job. That's wonderful. I was really worried. Okay, we'll be right back. I got it.
You sure?
Yep. Doesn't that look good? I'm excited. Thanks for hooking me up, man.
Oh, no problem. No problem.
Couldn't have done without you, so thank you very much.
Here we go, we got spotters.
Get up on that step, buddy.
Someone come my way for a second.
There you go.
I got it. On
Teamwork.
that step. There we go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Good teamwork, guys. Right, here's the careful part. Yeah. Wait a minute. We need to go back. Here we are on the solenoid there.
Alan,
You
go back towards the hinges a bit. Go
You
up.
need to go up.
There, it's in. Okay, now rotate.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna drop down mine just
Yeah, don't drop it down yet.
do some slack
It's
down.
easier said than done, huh?
Good.
Slowly.
Good.
Slowly.
Yeah.
It's in there.
Woo!
Good job, guys.
We did it. Thank you. Beers all the way around.
Luckily for us, we've got a great community here. All of the neighbors have pitched in to help us out. They've taken us to the grocery store, they've taken us to get propane, they've lended us tools, they've offered us their knowledge and advice, and it's great to be part of a community again and have all these helpful, wonderful people so close, willing to jump in when somebody's in need. Thank you for watching this episode. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you'll never miss another episode. And we'll see you next Tuesday for another adventure. Interested in joining our travel crew? Head on over to our Patreon page and buy us a mile. All proceeds go towards bringing better content to you.